Leo's hurtful words fill him with guilt as he sees his friend's sadness. He reflects on his words in remorse, wishing to undo his mistake. Leo's teacher reminds him that understanding others' feelings is the key to healing. Observing his friend, Leo begins to understand their pain. He learns empathy begins with listening. He starts small, helping others around him. Each kind act builds the courage to mend his own heart. Leo approaches his friend and offers a heartfelt apology. His sincere words begin to bridge the gap. A tiny smile appears on his friend's face, a sign that forgiveness has begun. They talk and laugh softly. The simple act of sharing mends hearts and builds trust. Leo observes the blooming flowers and falling petals, remind him that healing takes time and care. Leo participates in a school cleanup. Their teamwork shows that kindness can brighten any space. An elder shares wise words about empathy, inspiring Leo to keep striving for understanding. The bond deepens as friends share stories and laughter. The reunion is gentle and full of promise. Together, they promise to support each other. Their unity and shared strength fill the air with hope. He enters a new day, knowing that every challenge is a chance to grow and care for one another. Leo's journey teaches that kindness and empathy lead to a hopeful and better future.